All right, defining your app's problem and why this is just so important. One of the biggest reasons apps fail is because they don't solve a real problem. In this lesson, we're going to define and find your app's problem so that we're creating something that people actually need. Not what you think they need, what they actually need. And so, what makes a great app idea? It solves a real problem that people struggle with. The problem is important enough that people are willing to pay for a solution, and it improves or replaces an inefficient process in daily life or their business. So, now thinking about all these different things, how to identify a problem that's actually worth solving. And so, let's think about problems in your own life, things that frustrate you daily. I mean, look at existing businesses and industries. Where do people struggle? Check forums like Reddit, Quora, and Facebook groups to see what people are complaining about. Analyze one-star reviews on similar apps. So like this, you can see what users are unhappy about. And that's going to give you a really good idea of what to make in the future. So in general, there's a three-part formula for a strong app idea. One, I help who? Solve what problem? Number two, by how? Number three. For example, I help small businesses or business owners manage their finances by automating tax tracking. A good app that solves that is the app that I actually use with our current CPAs. It's an app that basically helps them do our taxes. And during this time, it's one of the best user experiences ever because it makes it super simple for me and them in order to exchange our information for taxes. If you can't describe your idea in one sentence, it's way too complex. You got to think about it and simplify it as much as you can. And so, in conclusion, your app idea should be based on a real world need, not just something you think is cool. And in the next lesson, we'll identify who your ideal users are so you can design the app with them in mind.